Morning students of standard 9, welcome in day 14. As you know that in day 13 I have explained all the terms how to find gravitational force between different object, either celestial object or either simple object like ball, person, etc. Okay, today I am going to teach you about what is the total gravitational force act on the person which lie on the surface of the earth when two or three planets come in a straight line. Okay, this is a very curious topic, so let us see here. So kindly request to all of you, please sit with pen, notebook and turn page number 134 and see the topic: gravitational force acts on a person on the earth. That means there is a person on the earth surface, then you have to find the gravitational force by due to planets, not planets, that means two or more planets in the line with the earth. When two or more planets comes in a straight line on the earth, then what is the total gravitational force on the person lie on the earth? Okay, today I will find this gravitational force. So let us see here. It happens occasionally that some planets appear aligned with the earth. That means it is rarely seen that some planets are in the straight line of the earth. The question is here whether such planetary alignment affect living things on the earth or not. That means when two or more planets come in a straight line to the earth, then the object or person who lie on the earth is affected or not. That means gravitational force is increase or decrease, or rest of the gravitational force act on only earth. Okay, had been a matter of debate for long. That means this topic is as a debate for long times. So in this section we will see if such gravitational force due to planets be important. So let us see here how we will find total gravitational force act on that person. Students, let us consider a planetary alignment in which two giant planets of the solar system, let us suppose that Jupiter and Saturn, are in the line with the earth. That means this is assumption. We will suppose two planets, Jupiter and Saturn, is in the line of the earth, then, and are in the same side of the earth. Then that means this is earth and Jupiter and Saturn is in the same side of the earth, and these are in same line on the earth. Then what is the gravitational force on the man, on the person lie on the earth? Okay, so see here, F total, that means total gravitational force F total is equal to gravitational force act by the Jupiter plus gravitational force act by Saturn. Okay, now you know F is equal to G M mj, mass of Jupiter, into a small m, mass of the person, by Rj, radius of the Jupiter square, plus G, gravitational constant, ms, mass of Saturn into mass of the man, by Rs square, radius of Saturn. Okay, G small m is common term, so you will separate the terms. G small m into bracket mj by rj square plus ms by rs square. Now put the value of mj and rj square by plus ms by rj square to get the value of this term. Students, see here, ft is equal to gm into mj by rj square plus ms by rs square. Now put the value of g, 6.67 into m. M is depend upon you. Suppose that a common healthy person is 50 kg, so you will put here 50. You will take 60, 70 or more than. Okay, So this is 50 kg m. Now put the value of mass of Jupiter. Mass of Jupiter is 2 into 10 to the power 27 kg. And radius of Jupiter. Radius of Jupiter is 6.3 into 10 to the power 11 whole square. Okay. Plus mass of Saturn is 6 into 10 to the power 26 by radius of Saturn. Radius of Saturn is 12.8 into 10 to the power 11 whole square. Okay. Now this becomes 6.67 into 50 into 10 to the minus 11, and when you will solve this term, then you will get the value 0.05 into 10 to the power 5 plus, and you will solve this term, then you will get 0.037 into 10 to the power 4. That means you will apply here standard form. Here also you will convert it to standard form. Okay, so you will get the value of this and this. Now Ft is equal to, you will solve these terms, then you will get total force on the person is equal to 1.79 into 10 to the power minus 5 Newton. Okay, and the force of gravity acting on the person, force of gravity means, that means this is force acting by the earth on the person is m into g, mass into gravity, 50 into 9.8, 490 Newton. Okay, now compare with total force and the force, gravitational force act by the earth on the person is 490 Newton. We will find here the total force act by the Jupiter and Saturn on the person is 1.79 into 10 to the power minus 5 Newton, which is very small as compared to the force, gravitational force act on the person by the earth is 490 Newton. That means the gravitational force act by the earth on the person is 490 Newton, whereas the gravitational force Ft act by the Jupiter and Saturn on that person is 1.79 is 10 to the minus 5 Newton, which value is very less than as compared to the gravitational force act by the earth. Okay, so students, here we can say that there is nothing change on the person due to gravitational force act by Jupiter and Saturn, because these gravitational force is very less than as compared to the earth. Now students, it's time for your homework. Students, this is your homework for day 14. I have given one question. This is fully based on numericals. The mass of the sun is 2 into 10 to the power 30 kg, and that of the earth is 6 into 10 to the power 24 kg. If the average distance between the sun and the earth is 1.5 into 10 to the power 11 meter, then you have to calculate the force exerted by the sun on the earth and also by the earth on the sun. Friends, you will solve these numericals on your in your classwork copy. Today's class is over. Thanks to all of you for watching me. Have a nice day.